Welcome back to the show, everybody. We have 2,103 miles on this FXBB in blue. It is a 2022 with 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine. It's FXBBS. Absolutely beautiful 6-speed transmission, mid-mount controls. Although you can push the controls up forward if you'd like. Passenger pegs, a little crosstalk on the exhaust, solo seat and passenger pillion, Brembo brakes, bobbed fenders, Mini-Ape handlebars, LED headlight, rubber mounts on the forks, prevent against the dust getting in. Pretty low mileage. We're going to do a 5K service on it and put her on the floor. 114 derby cover, belt driven final drive. Absolutely beautiful machine. Beautiful machine. And it's got the S&S slip-on exhaust. Beautiful sound you heard. Thanks for watching. Come on by for a test ride today. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below.